Hello everyone, this is Lisa from City Energy.
Hello everyone, this is Mufei from City Energy Company Limited.
Okay, today let me and Mufei introduce our new product, double inner tanks pressurized solar water heater.
Yes. As you know, the pressure solar water heater, we also call it the name low pressure.
Yes.
Because the water in the tank under the low water.
Yes.
And this one, we have two tank in tank.
How is it?
First tank is pressured, and the second tank is non-pressured.
Oh, two tanks.
Yes, because this is our new model.
Oh.
Tank in tank solar water heater.
Okay. Hi Mufei, may you introduce the simple principle to our customers?
Okay. Hot water. The vacuum tube absorb the sunlight.
Yeah.
Then cold water will up to the water tank.
Yes.
Become hot water.
Yes.
Same time, the hot water will flow the tube, heating routine. We use this circulation, then the water tank's water totally hot, then we can use.
Which tank we use the hot water from?
First tank, pressure.
Pressurized.
Yes,
Yes.
Our pressure tank connected with the city water.
Oh.
Have pressure.
Oh, then I think its advantage is with pressure.
Yes.
Yes. When we use the hot water, there is pressure of the hot water, so it is more comfortable.
Yes, more comfortable than non-pressure.
Yes, yes. I think maybe it more expensive than non-pressurized.
Yes, this one is expensive than non-pressure, but will cheaper than pressure. Why cheaper? Because the vacuum tube have water. The pressure solar water heater, the heat pipe, the copper heat pipe in the vacuum tube. So the cost will a little high. This solar water heater, we use the pressure tank, but the vacuum tube we use the water, no heat pipe, so price will a little cheap. Then pressure the water solar water heater.
Then I think it is a good news for our almost customer because the hot water with pressure, but the price is lower than the our old model pressurized solar water heater.
Yes.
So it is more efficiency and more economical.
Yes.
Yes.
And our this bracket degree 45.
Oh.
We also can make such as different country different degree, 30, 35, 20 degree. We all can make it. Just you need.
I have one question. For example, for Mexico market,
how degree?
how degree? Yes.
35, 30 is okay.
Okay. Then 45 degree, I think it is suitable for our local market or the Europe market, right?
Yes, Europe market is right, but this type of bracket can be used for flat roof. If our Europe customer roof is sloping, then we need to change the degree.
Then what's the warranty about a product?
Whole set warranty is 5 years. But during the cash fair, we can give our customer 6 years. A little information.
Okay. I have another question. how we can take shower if no sun or it is raining, rainy day.
If always rain day, no sun, don't worry. We will give our customer electrical heater and controller.
Okay. I saw this. This is electrical heater, right?
Yes.
Yes. This is the mechanical controller. Can adjust the different temperature.
Yes.
Yes. And how can we know the temperature in the tank? And how can control the electrical heater?
We have controller.
Controller.
Yes, we have controller.
I see. I see. This is controller. You can see this is controller. Its function can control the electrical heater automatically. If the temperature is not reach the enough, then it can control the electrical heater turn on or turn off. Also can control the electrical heater according to the time. We can set the time we need.
The important is the controller is automatic.
Yes, automatic. It is very smart.
And this water tank, all the tank material is color steel plate.
This one is color steel plate.
Yes, color steel plate. If our customer location is seaside or Iceland, we also have stainless steel.
Oh, better material.
Yes, stainless steel 201 and 304. We all can.
Okay. Which one is the better material?
Stainless steel is better,
Okay.
but cost a little high.
Yes, understand.
As you know, you get what you pay for.
Yes, very right.
I told my customer every day. You
Yes.
get what you pay for.
Yes. How about the frame material? We have another material for our customer.
Yes, we have stainless steel and aluminum alloy.
It is a better material.
Aluminum alloy is better. And the cost is very, very high.
Yes, but some market need it.
Yes.
No other way.
Because you get what you pay for.
Yes.
And inner tank. And this solo water heater diameter is 470 millimeter. Inner tank diameter is 370 millimeter. And the inner tank material is stainless steel 304. If you have any request, we also can do 316 for our customer.
316.
Yes, 316 is better.
Yes.
And we can do OEM for our customer.
How many pieces we can do?
The better MOQ is more than 10 pieces or 20 pieces. Because we need to pay some latest cost for our printer. And our logo all eco friendly green.
Yes. How many liters of the tank we have? Different capacity.
Yes. Because this is our new model. We have 150, 200 and 250 liters.
Okay.
Yes.
For 200 liters, how How many people can use 200 liters for take showering?
Usually, 3 to 4 people can shower for 200 liters through the heated tank. But this our new model, I think can use be for 4 to 5 people.
Yeah.
Because the inner tank is pressure. The
Okay.
number is hitting the inner tank water.
How many days we can make the order for our customers? I mean lead time.
Yes, lead time. Good news now. This model we have goods in stock, so just pay money to us, then we can send to our customer on tomorrow or after tomorrow.
We have.
We will have stock.
Oh, very good news.
Yes.
Yes.
But if our customer want to OEM print logo, then need some time. Usually, after we receive the money, deposit them. Lead time about 10 to 15 work days. Half month.
Then which seaport near our factory?
We have 2 seaports. One is Shanghai and the other is Ningbo. But Shanghai is close to us. About from Shanghai to our factory about 2 hours.
Generally we use the Shanghai seaport.
Yes.
But if the customer need use the Ningbo seaport, also okay.
Also okay, but need add a little freight cost.
Then okay, no problem. I think maybe if our customer have other question, can leave your mailbox to us or send email to us.
Yes, or can leave the message in the living room. We will reply you.
Okay. Can you tell our customer our mailbox?
Our email address is info@sidt.com. If you send an email to us, we will reply within 4 hours.
Okay. Welcome you visit our new room.
Yes, welcome to visit our new room and welcome you visit our factory anytime.
Okay. See you later.